please watch until the end. Hello dosto. Today I have bought a good phone stand 3D printed video for you guys, which comes fully functional. It's looking very nice. You can see this phone and stands lots of gear and it's working smoothly. You can adjust it according to you. You can put any big or small phone in it. You will not have any problem. You can adjust angle according to you and fits all phone sizes well. As you see that next video, I have my Note 4 phone which it fits quietly nice. This is good mechanical phone stand ever 3D printed. This mechanism look great, looks very interesting moving here and it shows beautiful. If you are new on my channel, I requested you please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, like video and our WhatsApp group share. Thank you so much. You have already subscribed. You can see now this is my other phone, Google Nexus phone. It also fitting very well in this phone. You can see that. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe channel. Thank you so much.